Hi everyone. Sorry, I had to blow dust off my arm. It's Meowing the Killer Meowth here again, just unboxing a couple releases that came out today that I was really excited for. I was excited for this one. Actually, both of them really, because for one, I love Borderlands, and secondly, I love Shinji Mikami. Or Shinji Mikami, however you pronounce it. You can probably pronounce it both ways. Both ways. Anyway, um, I really liked his game, The Evil Within, and I know he wasn't the director for The Evil Within 2, but I also loved that one. Resident Evil 4, etc. So really looking forward to playing his newest game that he directed, Ghostwire Tokyo, and then Tiny Tina's Wonderlands. So I'm gonna start off with Ghostwire Tokyo, and yeah, I don't have much to say in this video, so forgive me if I'm really silent. I try to talk as much as I can about interests and games I've been playing while I do this, but I have a really hard time focusing on more than just one thing at a time. So put that there, and then open it up. So we got a short little manual. Shows the controls. Not really a full-on manual, but hey, at least it's something. I really miss getting game manuals. Even though I never really used them, I just liked to flip through them. So there's Ghostwire Tokyo. And of course, next up, Tiny Tina's Wonderlands. And I know it's an unpopular opinion, but Borderlands 3 is actually my favorite of the series. I love the improved gunplay and gameplay. Just, to me, it feels a lot better than Borderlands 2. I finished 1, 2, and pre-sequel, and I'm more than halfway into 3. So I haven't finished 3 yet. Come on. So I haven't finished 3 yet, but I'll have to try and make that a priority. Welcome to the Wonderlands, where metal and magic collide across a chaotic fantasy world brought to life by the unpredictable Tiny Tina. Okay, so the Dragon Lord pack, because I got the next level edition. So, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.